Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be telling you how to represent root 3 on number line. There are two possible ways where you can do this. So I'll be telling about both of them to you. So let us see how much is the length of root 3. So let us suppose that OBD triangle is a right angle triangle with angle OBD equal to 90 degrees. Let us draw a right angled triangle first of all. Now I'll take the sides to be equal to BD as 1 unit and OB as root 2 units. You all remember in my previous video I had shown you that how do we construct root 2. I'll be sharing the link of that video in the comment section also. You can see that. So using that root 2, I'll be taking that length as the base and the perpendicular, if I take to be as 1 unit, then the hypotenuse, let us see how much do we get. If this angle is right angle triangle and OB is root 2 units and BD is 1 unit, then by the Pythagoras theorem, will we not get OB square plus BD square is equal to OD square? So OB being root 2, BD being 1, so I'll get root 2 square plus 1 square is equal to OD square. Root 2 square means 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to OD square. That will be equal to how much? 3. So if OD square is equal to 3, it will mean that what? It will mean that OD will be equal to root 3 or not. It is the length. So I will ignore the negative sign and I'll get OD is equal to root 3 units. So if I'm able to construct a right angle triangle with one side equal to root 2 units and the other perpendicular side is 1 unit, then the hypotenuse will be giving me the length of root 3 units. So let us use this concept to represent root 3 on the number line. So we'll follow the same procedure as we had followed in the previous video to represent root 2 on the number line. So I draw the number line with the points. I mark them as -1, 0, 1, and 2. They have to be equidistant and I need to put the arrows on both the sides. I label the point where 0 is as point O and I mark point where I have 1 as point A. At point A, I construct a 90-degree angle. Now I have got this perpendicular line on this number line. Now, if you remember, if I take a right triangle with the sides equal to 1 unit and 1 unit, the hypotenuse will be equal to how much? Under root of 1 square plus 1 square. That means it's going to be under root of 2. So with A as center and radius equal to 1 unit, if I will be making an arc on this perpendicular, I'll be getting a point B such that AB will be equal to 1 unit. So let us do that. Now I will join OB. So on joining OB, I get a right angle triangle. And as I had explained it to you, that this OB length will be equal to how much? Root 2 units. So with O as center and radius equal to OB, if I will make an arc, wherever this arc will intersect the number line, that point will be equal to root 2. So let us do that. Now, wherever this arc is intersecting this number line, I mark that point as point C. Then OC will be equal to root 2 units and C will represent root 2 on the number line. So we get this length OB as root 2. So if you remember the triangle that I had shown you, in that triangle I had shown you that if I have a right angle triangle with one side as root 2 units, so I have one side as root 2 units, this is OB is root 2, and I have a perpendicular of 1 unit. So if at B, I construct a 90-degree angle and the perpendicular is of length 1 unit, then the hypotenuse that I will be getting will be equal to root 3 units. So let us construct the perpendicular at point B. So you know the procedure. How do we do that? Now, this is OB was of root 2 units. So with B as center and radius equal to 1 unit, I make an arc. Wherever this arc is intersecting the line segment BZ, I mark it as point D. I join OD with the ruler and then the length that I get OD is equal to how much? Then this length OD is equal to root 3 units. So what is the procedure? You remember in root 2, what did you do? The moment we got the length of OB with OB as the radius and center as O, I made an arc. The same thing I'll be doing now with O as center and radius equal to OD. Now, if I'll make an arc, wherever that arc is going to intersect the number line, that point will give me root 3. So let us do that. So with O as center and D as radius, if I'm making an arc, wherever this arc is intersecting the number line, I mark that as point E. Then OE is equal to how much? It is equal to root 3 units. E point represents root 3 on the number line. So your final answer has to be what? Your final answer has to be OD is equal to OE is equal to root 3 units. Thus, if O represents the 0 on the number line, then E will represent root 3 on the number line. There's another way of construction of root 3 on number line. Let me share that also with you. That till root 2, the same steps to be taken up. OC is representing root 2. Till here, the process is the same. Now, what I do is, I need to draw a perpendicular. I need to construct a right angle triangle with the base with one side as root 2 units and one side as 1 unit. So I can take this as the base also and make the triangle. Instead of drawing the perpendicular in the previous case here, I can make the perpendicular here also. So I'll at C point, I'll be constructing the perpendicular. So let me just hide what all I don't need. Now this line is what? This line is the perpendicular line. Now with the radius equal to 1 unit and center as C, I'll be making an arc on this line segment. Let us do that. Now I have got the two sides of the right triangle, OC equal to root 2 units. And this point, if I mark it as D, then CD will be equal to 1 unit. I'll be joining OD now with the ruler. And how much will the length of OD be? Since it's a right angle triangle with the sides as root 2 and 1, then the hypotenuse will be equal to under root of root 2 square plus 1 square, that is 2 plus 1, which is equal to root 3. So this OD will be equal to root 3 units. I have got the length OD equal to root 3 units. Then with OD as radius and center as O, if I'll be making an arc, wherever this arc intersects the number line, I'll mark that point as point E, and then E will be representing what? Root 3, and OE distance will be equal to root 3. Same way we'll be writing the answer and then that OD is equal to OE is equal to root 3 units. And thus if O is the 0 of the number line, then E will be representing root 3 on the number line. So I hope both the methods are clear to you. Watch the video again in case you have any doubt. Thank you so much.